We are all set to get this match underway. Drivers behind the line. We start in 3, 2, 1, charge!
Qualifying round number 14 underway. Nice work by 395 getting up and over. We have a high goal that went in as well. That looks real good, 20-12 as we move into teleoperated mode. Megalodons quickly maneuvering onto the red tower near the base of the batter. Up and in the tower they go. Another boulder delivered, weakening the red tower by one more. The Nerds moving into the blue courtyard. Looks like they've got a boulder on board, trying to line up. Let's see if they can make a score. The spy bot, the spy person lining them up, trying to finagle. Let's see what he's able to do. Let's see if the Nerds can get that in there. Up and in, and they're trying to force it in. Let's see. 3 robots in the red courtyard. Down on that end of the field, off to your right on the viewing screen. Up and, just in and out for the Megalodons. 1600 trying to line up to introduce a boulder into the base of the tower. That's the Robo Kings and Queens. It's all the Nerds in the blue courtyard trying to do it on their own while their partners play a little defense in center part of the field. I see a red flag from one of the refs. We'll have to see what that means. Up and over the ramparts, the rock wall goes 395 and back again. That will put that defense to bed. 395 making short work of those defenses. 2 train robotics. Nerds again from Arizona lining up on the left side of the screen, trying to score a boulder. Yes, they do. The Nerds finally make it count in the bottom of the blue tower. Up and over the drawbridge. 15 seconds left in the match. 395 back and over. Looks like they're looked to line up on the batter. All 3 blue robots heading to the red courtyard. Let's see if they can make it work. 5 seconds left. Will we get 3 on the batter? 2, 1. All right, final score coming up on the board from that match. The results, our first triple-digit score, 100 for the Blue Alliance, 34 for the Red. You could see that the Blue Alliance breached all 4 of the defenses. That gives them an additional ranking point. Everybody moving up in the rankings. Keep an eye on those small arrows to the right of the team numbers. That'll tell you which direction they're headed in the seeding of all the alliances.
the teams. Down on red, let's hear it for 4041.
The Pride of Eindhoven, it's Team Rembrandts.
And they're partnered with 1635.
Out of Elmhurst, New York, it's Technotics.
Completing this alliance, let's hear it for 1660.
Right from right here in New York, it's the Harlem Knights.
Down on blue, we have team 4122.
Out of Ossining, New York, it's the Ossining Obots.
And they're partnered with team 2601.
Out of Flushing, New York, it's the Steelhawks.
Completing this matchup, let's hear it for 4528.
Out of Queens, New York, it's the Automatons.
I hear the Netherlands up there in the stands. I can see them too. I see Ecuador up there ready to get loud. I hear 2601 getting loud. I know you guys can twist more than that. many of you guys in the stands are visiting New York City for the first time today? One person? I don't believe it. How many of you guys are here for the first time in New York City? What do you guys think? Is it fun? All right. We are all set to start this match. Drivers behind the line. We start in 3, 2, 1, charge!
All right, here we go. Qualification match number 15 underway. Right out of the gate, 45-28, and the Steelhawks over the outer works into the courtyard for some autonomous bonus points. 16-35 on the Red Alliance, scoring in the low goal for some autonomous points. Teleoperated mode. Operators take control now. 44-81. Setting up shop in the corner of the blue courtyard, looking for a high goal shot for the Red Alliance. Steelhawks opening up the sally port for 41-22. The Ossining Obots traveling across the sally port now, looking to reduce the strength of that sally port, damaging it now. Steelhawks back through the low bar into the neutral zone, looking for some more ammunition. 45-28, trying to field a rebound over on the red side of the field. Team Rembrandt's lining up for a high goal shot with 97 seconds left on the clock for the Red Alliance. 16-60 trying to get something started over in the neutral zone. 16-35 trying to get around them now. Traveling over the ramparts into the blue courtyard to join their teammates, Team Rembrandt. Dropping off some more ammunition, rolling into the blue secret passage. Technotics now looking for some more ammunition, taking another boulder out of the neutral zone and dropping it into the blue courtyard. 41-22, shooting high for the Blue Alliance. Coming up short that time, but they're going to regroup and try again. Here come the Steelhawks, 26-01, looking to drop down the Chevelle de Frise over on the red side of the field, trying to complete the breach. Right now, Red Alliance needs to damage one more defense to successfully earn those breach ranking points. 45 seconds left on the clock now. Rembrandt still lining up that high shot, revving up their shooter just short of the high goal. Blue Alliance ahead right now, 46-37. Here come the Steelhawks flying over the Chevelle de Frise, looking for a low goal score, dropping back over the ramparts now. Under 30 seconds left on the clock. 26:01, the Steelhawks flying over the ramparts into the neutral zone. Final 20 seconds. All robots are cleared to scale or challenge if they so choose. 16:35 parking on the batter of the blue tower. Technotics and Team Rembrandt's making it look easy. 2 blue robots have successfully parked on the batter in 3, 2, 1. All right, a real barn burner in that last match. Blue Alliance losing to Red 54-53.
All right, let's meet the teams. Down on red, let's hear it for 5781.
It's Pecci Robotics Team.
And they're partnered with 3646.
It's Integra.
Completing their alliance, let's hear it for 3017.
It's the Patriots.
Down on blue, we have 4263.
It's the Cyber Dragon.
And they're partnered with 3004.
The Bronx Knights.
Completing this matchup, let's hear it for 743.
Give it up for the Technobots.
All right, we are green, and green means go. Drivers behind the line. We start in 3, 2, 1, charge.
Here we go. Qualification number 16, 3646 Integra, crashing into the outer works, looking to score some quick points in the autonomous round. 5781 accidentally encroaching on the center line of the neutral zone in autonomous, which will be a penalty. Drivers take control now. 135 seconds on the clock to see what these drivers can do. Red Alliance versus Blue. Integra up and over the ramparts, making it look easy for the Red Alliance. 7:43. The Technobots flying into position in the courtyard, looking for some quick points. 42:63. The Cyber Dragon machine dropping back now, looking to pull somebody through the sally port. Technobots firing a shot high, coming up a little bit short, but looking to score it again. All three red robots in the blue courtyard now, looking to score on that blue tower. 100 seconds left on the clock. 5781 looking to line up now with 3646 Integra. The Istanbul machine looking for a high goal for the Red Alliance. 3017 dropping back now, reloading back into the blue courtyard, lining up again on the right side of the field, looking for a quick low goal. 3017 The Patriots putting it in for a quick 2 points. 24-10 right now. Red Alliance with the advantage. 72 seconds left on the clock. The Patriots dropping back again for another boulder to fire into that blue tower. 42-63. The Cyber Dragon machine still going to work on that sally port over on the red side of the field. Red Alliance pushing hard with some offensive efforts now. Just under a minute left on the clock. 7:43 and 42-63, both calling it an early game, looking for those quick challenge points. Hopefully their teammate 30:04, the Bronx Knights, can join them. 7:43 looking for a low go shot now. 2 points for the Blue Alliance, just over 30 seconds left on the clock. Blue Alliance got some makeup that needs to get done here. 44-12 right now, 28 seconds left. Red Alliance holding on to that lead. One blue robot looking for that challenge. Two blue robots in the same courtyard. 20 seconds left now. Robots looking for scales. 42-63. The Cyber Dragon machine extending those hooks, looking to grapple with that pull-up bar on the red tower. 7 seconds left. Cyber Dragon looking for the scale points in 3, 2, 1. All right, the scores are in for that match. Red Alliance 44, Blue Alliance 22.
All right, let's meet the teams down on red. Let's hear it for 60-14.
It's the RC Robo team.
And their partner with team 354.
The G House Pirates.
Completing this alliance is here for 1546.
Chaos Incorporated.
Down on blue, we have team 1796.
It's the Robo Tigers.
And they're partnered with 3204.
The Steampunk Penguins.
Completing this matchup, let's hear for 2869.
It's the Regal Eagles.
We are all set to get this match underway. New York, are you ready? Drivers behind the line. We start in 3, 2, 1, charge.
Qualifier 17 is underway now. Robo Tigers 1796 flying over the rock wall into the red courtyard. 1546 for the Red Alliance, trying to do the same. Trying to look for the Rampart score there. 354, the G-House Pirates creeping through under the low bar as time expires in autonomous mode. Drivers take control now. The 1796 machine, Robo Tigers, looking for that high goal shot, dropping back, aligning their shooter, revving their wheels. Robo Tigers letting it fly, rattle them chains. 5 points for the Blue Alliance. Red Alliance on the other side, G-House making it look easy with a quick 2-point goal, looking for some more ammunition, another boulder out of the neutral zone. 1546 for the Red Alliance, just coming off to the side. They'll have to realign. Chaos Incorporated can do it. 1796 Robo Tigers dropping back now, pulling another boulder in off the floor in the neutral zone, up and over the moat. 3204, their teammate dropping back now, getting a little bit hung up on the rock wall, but they're and they get off. 3204 back in the game in the neutral zone. 1796 aligning now, using that impressive light system to aim their shooter. Here it comes. Robo Tigers revving their wheels, looking for the 5-point goal. Robo Tigers rattle them chains. Another 5-pointer for the 1796 machine. Robo Tigers making it look easy. 10 points already on the board. 1 minute left on the clock now. G-House 354 trying to keep the Red Alliance in this. 34-21 right now. Blue Alliance with a slight advantage. Just under a minute left on the clock. 354 with another 2-point goal for Red. 60-14 trying to go to work on that rock wall. 1546 doing the same with the Ramparts. Chaos Incorporated up and over the Ramparts into the blue courtyard, looking for another high goal, but the Robo Tigers just won't quit. Another 5-point goal for 1796. Red Alliance trying to hold on. Blue Alliance starting to pull away. Under 30 seconds left now. G-House up and onto the batter of the blue tower again for another low goal, trying to find some way to score some points. 20 seconds left now. 1546. Chaos Incorporated looking for that scale. 13 seconds left on the clock. Chaos is grappled, trying to lift up and off. 9 seconds left now. 1546 trying to realign. 5 seconds on the clock now. Chaos Incorporated trying to hold on in 3, 2, 1. Here come the scores. With a score of 64-36, the Blue Alliance takes the win.
meet the teams. Down on red, let's hear for 375.
It's the Robotic Plague.
And their partners with 5806.
The Basement Lions.
And completing their alliance, let's hear for 5946.
It's the Spartans.
Down on blue, looks like we have team 2579.
It's the LIC Robo Dogs.
And they're partnered with team 5558.
Ad Astra.
And let's hear for team 1382.
It's ETEP Team.
Beep boop. match. Drivers behind the line. In 3, 2, 1, charge!
Here we go, another qualification match. Robotic Plague in 58.06. The Basement Lions flying across the outer works for a quick 10 points over on the red side of the field, or on the blue side of the field. 20-10 right now as we move into teleoperated mode. Red Alliance with a slight advantage. Drivers taking control. Red Alliance working to hold on to that lead. 58.06, the Basement Lions dropping back into the neutral zone via the Sally Port. Looking for a boulder in the center zone. 375, the Robotic Plague with a 2-point low goal on the blue tower. Blue Alliance over on the red side of the field, 25-79. The LIC Robo Dogs deploying that roller intake, looking for a boulder to fire into the red tower. 55-58. As well as the ETEP machine, both trying to get something going over in the neutral zone. 375 in the Basement Lions, all going to work over on the blue side of the field. The Spartans doing the same over in the blue courtyard. 375 Spy trying to signal their drivers, helping them line that robot up with the low goal over on the blue tower. Robotic Plague backing off now, deploying that boulder, and here come the Basement Lions with a boulder in tow as well. All three red robots attacking the blue tower. 42-12, Red Alliance starting to pull away with a 30-point advantage. Just over a minute left in play. 58.06, the Basement Lions revving up their shooter, up and just short of the high goal on the blue tower. ETEP machine coming to life now, looking to keep the Blue Alliance in this game. 47-12 now, but the Brazilians can hold on. Here we go, 1382 up and over the rock wall, trying to damage some defenses over on the red outer works. 59-46, parking the Spartans, looking for that those challenge points. Here comes 375, the Robotic Plague now, 32 seconds left in play. Robotic Plague and Basement Lions both attacking the blue tower now from both sides. 375 looking to push in some low goal points. 20 seconds left on the clock. 52-17 now. Red Alliance holding on to that lead. Basement Lions parking on the batter of the blue tower. 375 calling it a match, looking to do the same. All three red robots successfully challenging the blue tower in 3, 2, 1. All right, and the scores are in for that last match. Red Alliance taking the win, 67-22.
All right, let's meet the teams. Down on red, let's hear it for 334.
It's the Tech Knights.
And they're partnered with Team 4299.
The BCS Robo Sharks.
Completing this alliance, let's hear it for 4571.
It's the Rambots.
Down on blue, let's hear it for 5955.
The Trailblazers.
And they're partnered with 5993.
The Iztec Robotics Society.
Completing this alliance, let's hear it for 1797.
It's Phoenix.
All right, we are all set to go. Drivers behind the line. We start in 3, 2, 1, charge.
All right, here we go. Qualification number 19. Phoenix up and over the rough terrain into the red courtyard. Good for 10 points in autonomous mode. 42.99. The BCS Robo Sharks trying to get through the low bar. Time expiring in autonomous. Drivers take control now. 17.97 in perfect position. Revving up their shooter wheels. Here comes Phoenix for the Blue Alliance. Lining up and rattling them chains on the red tower. Blue Alliance ahead now 22-7. 45.71 going to work on the Chevelle de Frise. Over on the blue outer works. Up and over into the blue courtyard now. 3:34. The Tech Knights pulling in a boulder and firing up and over the ramparts, joining the BCS Robo Sharks in the blue courtyard, both eyeing up that blue tower. BCS Robo Sharks shooting a little bit wide, gonna have to regroup. 17.97, the Phoenix machine pushing through the portcullis, successfully passing through the portcullis, weakening the portcullis defense now, back over the rough terrain, going for another lap, dropping those arms down, pulling the portcullis up, trying to fire through, just a little bit short there, backing up for another attempt. 39-32, Red Alliance coming back, only down by 7 points. Phoenix firing through the portcullis, and they get it. 59-55, following the Phoenix machine through. Portcullis is now successfully damaged. Blue Alliance dropping back again. Phoenix pulling in some more ammunition in the neutral zone. The other two blue robots, 59.93 and 59.55. The Trailblazers both firing into the low goal. Phoenix dropping over the ramparts again. All three red robots looking to score on the blue tower. Blue Alliance absolutely picking apart the red defenses in the outer works right now. Close to earning those breach points. If they can get one more defense weakened, they will successfully breach. Good for 1 ranking point for each member of that alliance. Phoenix trying to drop through now. 59-55 getting in their way. Phoenix dropping over the rough terrain again. 56-42 right now. Phoenix revving up those shooter wheels. Undershooting slightly, trying to push it into the low goal. 10 seconds left on the clock. 1 red robot on the blue batter. 2 blue robots on the red batter. In 3, 2, 1.
Final scores coming up on the board from that last match in favor of the Blue Alliance, 66-47.
Ba-da-da-dum. Ba-da-da-dum. Ba-da-dum.
All right, just a quick follow-up on that last match. As they were coming off the field, Team 4299 did incur a yellow card from the referee for stepping over the defenses. So they will carry that with them through the rest of the qualifying rounds. One more yellow card, and that does become a red card, which will result in a disqualification from that match. I'd like to introduce our MC filling in for a little bit. We have Ms. Nikki Panda, who normally works with the Mar District's events, and she's going to go out. We're going to do a little audience selection for the next rounds.
Good morning, or rather afternoon, New York City. But before we start announcing teams, it is time to choose another defense.
Put it close to your mouth.
There we go. So, good afternoon, New York City. It's time to choose another defense. So, if we could have on the screen the defenses, you have a choice of the Sally Port or the Drawbridge. Now, whoever wants the Sally Port right now, make some noise. All right. Who wants to see the Drawbridge? I do believe we have our winner. Please ready the Drawbridge. All right, first on red, we have team 5016.
Huntington Robotics.
Next we have 1396.
The Pyrobots.
Last but not least, we have 6040.
Robo Elite.
First up on this side, we have 2265.
From the Bronx, New York, the Iron Maidens.
Next we have 578.
R cubed, it's Red Raider Robotics.
Last but not least, we have 5891.
The UASGC Robo Squad.
All right, drivers, behind the lines. 3, 2, 1, charge!
I already see a blue flag rising up. It looks like we have one of the Blue Alliance teams going over the center line in autonomous. That is a definite foul. Let's see if the room and players can do any better as they step forward to take control. There we go. Couple of Blue Alliance team members in the red courtyard. Oh, up and on their side goes Huntington Robotics. Good recovery going over that rock wall. Bashing into the rock wall, Team 640. Looking to see if they can get a little bit of momentum and get up that ramp, doing their best to try to make it happen. Hopefully they didn't get high-sided. Nice work by 640. On the red end of the field, courtyard, nice score by 58-91. A rookie team getting a boulder right into the bottom of that tower. Huntington Robotics looking to line up on the red tower, up and under the portcullis. Excellent work by 578. Really well done, nice and smooth. Looking to get a boulder in, a low goal. Another piece of defense coming off that red tower. Red tower strength now down to 4. Blue Alliance looking to make a big effort to try to get that tower all the way down to 0. Another boulder put into the low goal of the red tower by the Blue Alliance. It's basically 2-on-3 here. Once again, 58-91 going back onto the batter. 45 seconds left in the match. Looks like 578 trying to push another boulder in the base. Not quite able to make it happen. Looks like they're trying to get all 3 Blue Alliance robots onto the batter for the end of the match. 25 seconds. Just missing is Huntington Robotics for the Red Alliance in the blue courtyard. 640 fully hung up on the ramparts, totally high-sided, not able to move. Will we get all 3 blue robots on the batter? Looks like they might hold. 5 seconds left in the match. 1396 trying to see if they can make it hang. Looks like they're not able to get the hook to reach as time runs out. Final score on the board in favor of the Blue Alliance, 77-59. They were able to fully breach all of the Red Alliance defenses. That gives them 1 additional ranking point for a total of 3. 2 for winning the match and 1 additional one for breaching 4 out of 5 defenses.
All right, let's start this off. First on red, we have 4773.
From the Bronx, New York, it's Steel Horses.
And next we have 1155.
The Cyborgs.
Last on red, we have 5030.
From Utica, New York, the Second Mouse.
Down on blue. Start things off. We have 3419.
The Rowhawks.
And their partner, 4640.
The Metallic Panthers.
Last but not least, 1880.
The Warriors of East Harlem.
All right, drivers behind the lines. 3, 2, 1, charge.
Up and over and through. 2 robots into the blue courtyard for the Red Alliance. Good work by 1155 and their partners. Here we go. Watch that swerve drive on 3419. All 4 wheels spinning in any axis you want with pneumatic wheels. Great way to maneuver around. Let's see. Oh, up and in the upper goal. Nice work by 3419. Rowhawks with a very diverse drivetrain. 1880 doing their best to get over the ramparts. Referees signaling to each other. We'll have to see what that means at the end of the match, whether there's any penalties. 1880 coming up, looking to see if they can line up and shoot. Lining up in the red courtyard. There goes the Blue Alliance, looking to see if they can get another boulder in. There goes 3419 lining up. Let's see if they get another high goal this time. Watch for it. Watch the boulder coming out. There we go, another goal by the Rowhawks. Once they get it lined up, they deliver that boulder with some very fierce velocity. Red Alliance doing their best, trying to catch up. They're behind a little bit with a little over a minute left to play. 34-19 up and over the ramparts again. They've got another boulder on board. Let's see what they're able to do. Keep your eye on that blue machine in the red courtyard. There they go. Oh, just missing wide. Nice try. Let's see if they can recover. Here goes 50-30 up and over the Cheval de Frise. Taking a little airtime there going into the blue courtyard. 11:55 backing up over the ramparts again. Nice work by that team. 25 seconds left to play. Just missing was the second mouse in the upper goal for the tower. 15 seconds left to play. Let's see what these teams do with any end game that they have. Second mouse again looking to deliver to the low goal. Time getting short. 3, 2, 1. Stand by for the final score. Qualifying round 22 coming up next. All right, up on the board, results of that last match. In favor of the Red Alliance, 65-54. A penalty-free match. One challenging robot on each end of the field. 3 ranking points for each team on the Red Alliance. 2 for the win and 1 additional one for breaching 4 out of the 5 defenses.
First on red, we have team 369.
High voltage.
Next we have 5298.
The E-Tech Chargers.
Last on red, we have 1230.
Layman Lyonics.
First on blue, we have 2895.
Blazing Bots.
Next we have 3760.
From the Bronx, New York, it's Aerospace.
Last but not least, we have 3053.
VB Stingers.
All right, drivers behind the lines. 3, 2, 1, charge!
Here we go, autonomous mode. Robots going by their own onboard power, slamming into the blue courtyard, knocking part of the driver's station off the wall for Team 3760 is Team 1230. Hopefully they'll be able to recover from that. Human players stepping forward to take control of their machines. Everything getting put back. Let's see if 3760 can recover. There they go, nicely done. They're maneuvering in the middle of the field. And they've driven right on top of one of the boulders. So hopefully they can work that out. Team 2895 looking to line up on the red batter. Looks like they're going to try to do something with that boulder. On the blue courtyard end, 1230. Maneuvering 369, high voltage coming back up and over. the rock wall. Oh, slamming up and over the ramparts, excuse me, to Cheval de Vries, 12:30. It looks like they are intertangled. They are tangled up with 37.60. We'll see if they're going to be able to try to become uncoupled there. There's that's what we call a lot of robot-to-robot interaction right there in center field. Aerospace and Lehman Lyonics finally break it free. Nicely done as they're able to get each other loose. Hopefully they'll be able to maneuver and see if they can get something else working. 37.60 still trying to recover from their driver station, falling on the floor during autonomous mode. $28.95 still flailing away, trying to get that boulder in. Nicely done. $28.95. They stuck to it, got it delivered, put another boulder in the base of the red tower. It's still anybody's match, 32-29 in favor of the red with 30 seconds left to go. That sound means 20 seconds left. 28.95 still trying to push another boulder in. Up under the portcullis. Nicely done by the Red Alliance. 369 high voltage taking care of that. Then looking to park on the batter as time runs out. Stand by for the final score. That was a close match. All right, as a result of that last match, Team 1230 is getting an additional yellow card because part of their robot did go inside their opponent's robot. Unfortunately, that does result in a red card for Team 1230 as they already had a yellow card. So unfortunately, they will not be receiving any points for that match as they are disqualified from that match. Their alliance partners will still receive scores. results from that last match going up on the board. They'll be up there shortly, but the results of the last match in the favor of the Blue Alliance, it's 46-42. Wow, there you see it right now, up on the big board in favor of the Blue Alliance, 46-42 for the red. And as you could see, unfortunately, Team 1230 with the second yellow card did now receive a red card.
All right, we're going to start this off. First on red, we have 45-28.
The Automatons from Queens, New York.
Next, we have 17-26.
The Nifty Engineering Robot Design Squad, the Nerds from Sierra Vista, Arizona.
And their partner, 1600.
The Robo Kings and Queens.
First up here, we have 743.
The Technobots.
And their partner, 4383.
The Flybots.
Last but not least, we have 5946.
From Istanbul, Turkey, the Spartans.
All right, drivers behind the lines. 3, 2, 1, charge!
Qualifying round number 23 underway. Airborne goes, slamming into the tower, 45-28. Wow, right up and over the moat. About a good foot off the ground. A definitely wild and crazy move in autonomous mode. Let's see if the drivers can be a little more calm. Here we go. Everybody maneuvering around now. Lots of robot action on the field. If this game doesn't get your attention, I don't think anything in FIRST Robotics will. Oh, the nerds trying to go under the portcullis pretty much just by bashing through it. Let's see if they're able to make that one work. That's a different strategy than we've seen. 743 also looking to line up on the red end of the field. Looks like they're still trying to figure out a few things on their systems. Meantime, the Red Alliance going back and forth. Up and over the rock wall goes 45-28. That'll bring that defense down by one level. Up go the nerds trying to score high, just missing low and to the right. 743 working on the red courtyard. The spy box trying to signal them frantically to try to get them to line up on a boulder. 43-83 in center field here. Also looks like they're trying to maneuver and go over the Cheval de Frise. So far, the Red Alliance is having it all their way. Back through the drawbridge, looks like they are going to maneuver to the center. 45-28. Also looking to pick up a boulder from the center while they up and over on top of one. Let's see if they can get unhung up. Yes, they do. The nerds looking to see if they can help out. There go the nerds right through the drawbridge being held open, trying to go through 2 by 2. They're in there sideways. It's going to be hard to break that free. Oh, finally they do. A little bit of help from their partner, pushing and shoving. But the door closes before the second robot can get through. 20 seconds left in the match. 45-28. Looking to see where they can go. Looks like they're going to go under the low bar with that boulder in play. Up go the nerds again, just missing off to the side ever so slightly. 1600 in the middle. 5 seconds left in the match. Everybody trying to settle down for the finals. Stand by for the final score. We have a blue robot on the red batter with their bumper all askew. We'll have to see how that ends up. Final score of that match coming up on the board. Well, I'll preview it for you that can't see it. There you go, 42 points in favor of the Red Alliance, 24 for the blue. All three robots on the Red Alliance moving their way up in the rankings by getting 2 ranking points for the win. You can see their current rankings right now. That'll change throughout the rest of today and tomorrow morning. And we'll then be taking the top 8 seeds, and it will be picking their permanent alliance partners to go into the elimination rounds tomorrow afternoon.
right, first on red we have 51-23.
The Mecha Dogs.
And their partner, 28-69.
The Regal Eagles.
Last but not least, we have 23-44.
The Saunders Droid Factory.
First on blue, we have 694.
Sty Pulse.
And their partner, 1635.
Technotics.
And last but not least, we have 5515.
From Shanghai, China, Blue Power Robotics.
All right, drivers behind the lines. 3, 2, 1, charge!
One more qualifying round underway, bashing up over the rock wall, Team 2869. Making their way, all three blue robots in the red courtyard. A little bit of pandemonium in autonomous mode. Let's settle it down, let the drivers take over. Here we go, a nice high goal shot for the Blue Alliance. That's one boulder down by Sty Pulse. They're quickly moving out to get another one. 2869 also scoring in a low goal for Blue. Here we go again. Sty Pulse looks like they're going to try to make their way back up and over the moat. Trying to grab another ball right away. There they go, back over the moat again. That should damage that defense all the way down. That defense has been breached. The spy for the Red Alliance frantically waving, trying to let them know where there's a boulder. That's the human player on the side end of the field. They're the spy. 1635 waiting for their partner to line up. Maybe to go over the drawbridge. Here we go. Let's see if they can make that work. Sty Pulse trying to follow them. Up and over through the drawbridge they go. Will they be successful? It's a lot harder than it looks. Sty Pulse again waiting for their other partner. Nice teamwork by the Blue Alliance. Well done. 2 through the drawbridge. That should bring that defense down. That's well done. That's 4 out of 5 that the Alliance has gotten already. Nicely done by the Red Alliance. 45 seconds left. Everybody scrambling, seeing what they can make happen. Saunders Droid Factory trying to work on the Cheval de Frise here on the far side of the field. Still trying to work that out. Their spy partner trying to help them. 20 seconds left. Oh, what a big move through the portcullis by Sty Pulse, standing on the back bumper of that machine. That should make the highlight reel. It's 5 seconds left. Will we have 3 blue robots on the red batter? It looks like it. 2-1 as time runs out. Final score coming up on the board. Results of that last match, 84 for the Blue Alliance. You'll see that they breached all the defenses, so that gives them 1 additional ranking point. They will get a total of 3 ranking points for the win. And it looks like Team 1635 is currently your #1 seed, the Technotics from Elmhurst, New York.
All right, let's start this off. First on red, we have 42.99.
BCS Robo Sharks.
Next up, we have 36.46.
Also from Istanbul, Turkey, Integra.
Last but not least, we have 54.21.
The Birchbox.
First up on blue, we have 578.
R Cubed, also known as Red Raider Robotics.
And their partner, 354.
The G House Pirates are in the house.
And last but not least, we have 55.58.
From Bursa, Turkey, it's Ad Astra. All right, unfortunately, it looks like we have a yellow card that's being issued to Team 5558. As they went out to reset their robot, they did indeed step right over those defenses. Once again, that's something that you guys really need to pay attention to. It's not a good penalty to be taken. It just do not step over the defenses.
Drivers, behind the lines. 3, 2, well, nope, false alarm. We lost Carol. Oh, boy. All right, now drivers behind the lines. 3, 2, 1, charge!
Okay, that was a relatively quiet autonomous round. Let's see if the human players can do any better in taking over the controls. 354 maneuvering up onto the batter of the red tower. Let's see if they're able to get a boulder inside. Looks like they're carrying one with them. Well, there they go, spinning it into the low goal. Nicely done by the Blue Alliance. Out in the middle of the field, 578 quickly picking up a boulder, running back up and over the ramparts into the red courtyard. As time is called, we do have a bit of a field fall. Looks like there's an issue with one of the parts of the field. We will be replaying this match. Stand by and wait for the gates to open. All teams come out onto the field. Please reset your machines. We will replay this match. All the teams, please come out on the field. We will replay this match right away.
I'm missing something really.
Write down ID 10T on that piece of paper.
Oh.
That's most computer problems are caused by that. Am I right?
I like that one.
Now, drivers behind the lines. 3, 2, 1, charge! Oh. All right, one more try here. Drivers behind the lines. 3, 2, 1, charge!
42.99 bashing into the edge of the moat. 54.21 passing under the low bar. 36.46 trying to bisect their robot on one of the field barrier dividers. 2 blue robots into the red courtyard. All right, here we go. 578 quickly delivering a boulder to the base of the red tower. Their partners, 354. G-House Pirates also looking to do the same thing. G-House Pirates moving back underneath that low bar for the Blue Alliance. 42.99 looks like they're hung up a little bit on the edge of that moat, trying to gain some traction. 578 also moving back up and over the ramparts with ease. Nice work by the Red Raider Robotics from Fairport, New York. They're sticking that arm underneath the portcullis, looking to lift it up, and this way they can slide underneath. See if they're able to make that work. It's not as easy as it looks. They're going to see if they can make that fit underneath. There goes Red Raider Robotics. R-Cubed finally able to get the job done. Red Raider again looking to put another boulder in the base of the red tower. They successfully do that. That's knocked that tower strength down from 8 to 5. Unfortunately, it's pretty much a one-sided match this time with the Blue Alliance in the red courtyard. There goes Red Raider again, once again through the portcullis, a successful transversion of that defense. G-House Pirates harvesting a boulder off the floor. G-House Pirates looks like they're almost getting hung up with another boulder as well. 55-58. Trying to do something with the drawbridge. Red Alliance still not able to make anything happen. 10 seconds left in the match. Two robots on the batter as time runs out.
All right. Drivers behind the lines. Yep. All right. Drivers behind the lines. 3, 2, 1, charge!
Qualifying round number 26 underway. Bashing into the red tower wall, Team 1884, the Griffins, as they have done for many matches prior to this. It looks like they like to test the strength and durability of the fields. Evidently, they've done well so far. All three robots into the red courtyard quickly. Still 2 minutes left to play. Oh, banking a shot off the wall, just missing the low goal. Team 50-30, the second mouse. Looks like a hunk of bodywork popped off one of the machines. There goes the Brazilian team up and over the rock wall. Nice work by 1382. Trying to get under the low bar, one of the Blue Alliance partners, 4571. They're lining up behind the Griffins. Let's see what they're going to do. There go the Griffins, trying to get up and over that rock wall. They've got enough speed. They've proven that. 4571 slowly maneuvering under the low bar. Blue end of the field. In the blue courtyard, there goes Team Rembrandts, finally coming alive, doing a little movement, getting out of their corner. Up and over the rock wall they go, and back up and over they go. They've turned belly up. That's the risk you run with a high robot going over the rock wall. It looks like their partners might try to help right them, but it's going to be a tough row to hoe on that one. Now it's going to be 3-on-2, blue versus red. Brazilian team looking to see if they can line up, get a boulder in that low goal, and they do. Nice work. Reducing that tower strength. 1546 just missing on the red tower. 25 seconds left to play in the match. The Griffins trying to line up on the batter of the red tower. 1546. Chaos Incorporated looks like they're going to try to hang. So does the team from Brazil. 10 seconds left. Up goes Chaos Incorporated. It might be our first scale. Let's see how it goes as time runs out in the match. Stand by for the final score.
I believe so. Oh, really?
All right, final scores are entered. Coming up on the board, we indeed did have our first official scale. That robot 1546 is high enough to count for an additional 15 points. Blue Alliance squeaks it out at the end, 47-42 over the Red Alliance in a penalty-free round.
All right, we're going to start this off. First, we have 5298.
The E-Tech Chargers.
Next, we have 1880.
They are the Warriors of East Harlem, and unfortunately, I need to inform you that they have just been given a yellow card for this match because their people stepped over the defenses.
Last on the Red Alliance, we have 4122.
The O-Bots from Ossining, New York.
First on blue, we have 334.
The Tech Knights of Brooklyn.
And their partner, 3204.
A team dear to Nikki's heart, the Steampunk Penguins.
Last but not least, we have 2601.
The Steel Hawks.
Drivers behind the lines. 3, 2, 1, charge!
And away we go for qualifying round number 27. One robot on the red defense, breaching, going through, under the low bar. Two robots of the blue reaching the outer works. That'll be some points for them as well. Up and over they go. Nicely done by 2601. And 334 Tech Knights following right behind. The Tech Knights have a unique turntable system on that shooting mechanism, and it swivels around every time they go up and over those defenses. That's the way to fully breach the rock wall. Back it up, go over it twice, and away you go. Red Alliance coming back underneath, 4222, looking to come back over the drawbridge as they squish one of the boulders beneath it. 334 trying to line up on the upper tower. Let's see if they can score a boulder in the high port for that tower for the red. Up spins the wheel. Let's see if they can make that work. Up and over the top. Lots of backspin, but no connection, I'm afraid. 4122 on the Red Alliance up on the batter for the blue tower, and they push that boulder right in the base, scoring some points. 334 coming back up and over the rock wall to the center. Looks like they are going to try to go help their partners out. 2601 coming back through the drawbridge. Up and on top, two Blue Alliance robots, one on top of the other, and they're able to break free. Red Alliance robots still maneuvering in the blue courtyard. Looks like 4122 trying to push another boulder in the base of the blue tower. The spy trying to tell them what to do. 334 unfortunately missing again. 15 seconds left in the match. 4122 parked on the blue batter, waiting for the match to end, it looks like. Blue robots trying to maneuver, figuring out who's going to go where. 5 seconds left to go. 2 up on the batter. 2, 1. Let's see if that counts. They need to be fully supported. Stand by for the final score. Final score for that match coming up on the board in favor of the Blue Alliance, 44, Red Alliance, 28. Once again, each and every team on the Blue Alliance receives 2 ranking points in addition to their score for winning the match. You get 2 ranking points for a win, 1 for a tie, none for losing. And you can earn an additional ranking point by either breaching 4 out of the 5 defenses or capturing the tower, which entails getting the tower strength down to 0 and then surrounding the batter.
All right. First on red, we have 1797.
From across the pond, it's Phoenix.
And their partner, 5814.
From Ecuador, it's Robata.
And last but not least, we have 3760.
Aerospace.
First up over here, we have 1155.
The Cyborgs.
Next we have 640.
Robo Elite.
And their partner, 5781.
Also from London, Pechi Robotics.
All right, drivers behind the lines. 3, 2, 1, charge!
Robots moving under their own onboard power. 1797 pulling a big wheel stand on that rock wall. 5 seconds left in autonomous. Bashing into the far wall too, Team 640. Let's see if 1797, they're able to cover that, make it back down without tipping over. Good work by 1797. Up and over go two blue robots, 640 banging around on the rock wall. Looks like they're finally able to make it work. Red robots coming back through the drawbridge, 5814. Trying to work that through. 640 trying to work their way back. 5814 closing the door before their partner can catch up to them. $17.97 looking to pull the drawbridge down in their direction. That's a lot harder than it looks for a machine like this. 11.55 up and down, off and on the red batter. 3760 doing their best to try to line up with the drawbridge, trying to open it from the opposite direction. A lot of these drivers are flying blind with a lot of these defenses in the middle of the field. Their visibility is nowhere near as good as you people watching the matches. Back and up and over that rock wall goes 11.55, the Cyborgs. Just under a minute left to play. There we go with the portcullis. Nice work by 1797. Phoenix going back and forth, trying to hold that drawbridge open. 3760 still having issues. Coming up to 30 seconds left to play. Both towers remaining at full strength. No boulders scored this game. 20 seconds left. Back goes 640. I see some blue flags flailing around from one of the referees. We'll see what that means at the end of the match. Looks like two red robots up on the batter. 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Wow. Why, what happened?
The red driver.
All right, final score coming up on the board. In favor of the Red Alliance, 62 points. As you can see with the little check mark by the gate icon, that indicates that 4 out of the 5 defenses were breached. That gives 1 additional ranking point, a total of 3 to the winning alliance.
All right, first on red we have 1230
Lehman Lyonics.
and their partner 1396.
There, the Pyrobots.
And last but not least, we have 2895.
Blazing Bots.
First up on blue, we have 3419
My life. Rowhawks.
and their partner 5955.
Trailblazers, a rookie team.
Last but not least, we have 3004.
The Bronx Knights.
All right, drivers behind the lines. 3, 2, 1, charge!
Qualifying round number 29 underway. 1396 moving up into the rough terrain area. 3419 trying to make short work of the ramparts. Not quite able to clear it, but a game attempt. Trailblazers moving up underneath that low bar very quickly. Nice work by that rookie team. They're going to go back under it. Looks like they're going to go through again. That will count to help breach that defense. 3419 using that swerve drive system. All four wheels spin around with pneumatic tires. Allows them to go in pretty much any direction they want. 1396 making short work of the rough terrain on the blue outer works. Here they are coming back through. Looks like they're going to open up the drawbridge door. 1396 opening up the drawbridge door, says, hey, partner. 1230 lining up behind them. And both teams getting through the drawbridge. Trailblazers moving up and over the Cheval de Frise. Definitely not acting like a rookie team the way they're driving. 3004 parked up on the batter of the red tower. And a high goal shot by 3419. Nice work by the Rowhawks. .1230 looks like there may be some comm issues. Looks a little dark inside that machine. FTA is taking a closer look. 3419 lining up again. Here go the Rowhawks. Watch it. It happens fast. That boulder's going to come out at a high rate of speed. And in it goes into the upper goal. Great work by the Rowhawks. Back out to midfield. Anybody's game. Tied up at 47-47 with less than 25 seconds left. Keep an eye on it. We'll see where it ends up. Rowhawks again looking to line up with another boulder. 10 seconds left to play. 1396. Oh, the hook slipping off the bar on the Blue Alliance tower. 3419 trying to get up on the battery at the end. I don't know if they made it. We'll have to see. Wait for the final score. Final score coming up on the board. It's a close one right to the end, 62-52 in favor of the Blue Alliance. 2 ranking points being given to the winning alliance and another penalty-free round.
All right, New York City, let's meet the teams. Down on red, let's hear it for 2265.
The Iron Maidens.
And they're partnered with 6195.
Gold Bots.
Completing their alliance, let's hear it for 3017.
From Fresh Meadows, New York, the Patriots.
Down on blue, looks like we have team 1796.
The Robo Tigers.
And they're partnered with team 806.
The Brooklyn Blacksmiths.
Completing this alliance, let's hear it for 5806.
And the Lions from the Basement Lions, a rookie team from the Bronx.
Womp, womp, womp. How was everybody's lunch? Did anyone have anything good? What'd you guys have for lunch? You had Blue Alliance? I hear the Blue Alliance is the Red Alliance out there. All right, we are all set to get this match underway. Drivers behind the line. Get ready to see this match in 3, 2, 1, charge!
Here we go. Robots moving forward under their own onboard programming. All three robots moving into the red courtyard. Good work by the Blue Alliance. That'll pick up some additional points as we move into teleoperated mode. All three blue robots looking to maneuver. Robo Tigers looking like they're trying to line up with that swivel mechanism for their shooter. Let's see if they can deliver a boulder to the top of the red tower. Meantime, 2265 for the Red Alliance, looking to go back up and over the rock wall, and they do. 806 sitting there on the drawbridge. And 5806, nice shot by the Robo Tigers. Took them a while to line up, but they were able to finally get it in. Back up and over the rough terrain go the Robo Tigers. Meantime, in the blue courtyard, two red robots maneuvering, seeing if they can make something happen. 3017 moving back under the low bar. Up and over the Shabbat.